Hey folks, what you're about to see is a first for Sweet Willy's Kitchen. Tune in, we'll tell you why. Hey gang, we are back after again a little bit of a hiatus here and there and stuff, and again I want to thank everybody for watching all these times. This is interesting. This is a first in Sweet Willy's Kitchen where we're actually going to be doing a product review for an adult beverage. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, an adult beverage. And why? Well, somebody asked, plain and simple. The folks at Anyday Rosé sent me an email and say, hey, if we sent you a couple cans of this stuff, would you do a review for us? I said, sure. You know, I'm not much of a canned alcoholic beverage drinker, but again, with things in the summertime, with lighter beverages, I said, okay, we'll give it a shot. So here it is, Anyday Rose. Everything can be done online at anydayrose.com, and you put all in your information. You can order online, and it'll send you, via FedEx, as they did. The only stipulation is you have to have somebody over 21 sign for it. So they were able to innovate a way of buying, wine and the like online. So first, Anyday Rose. It's a combination of cider. It's 85% cider, 15% rosé, and hops. Okay, so it's a hybrid. Okay, a lot of people, we have blends for reasons. Okay, we take the strong points from different elements and we put them together to form another flavor. It might be to enhance one aspect, it might be to deaden another aspect, and in this case, okay, we've got our hard cider, which is the predominant player in this product, and we're going to introduce a little rosé wine. It's that pink stuff that you see on the shelves. And I did a little research on that, and there's different ways that rosé is made. Everybody thinks that rosé wine is just a hybrid, and that's more for the lower ends, where they combine a white wine and a red wine together to make this rosé. There's the other methods that winemakers actually dedicate themselves to making a good rosé, where they press the grapes and they have them sit as they're pressed, and that's what gives them more of a pinkish color. Or if they use other types of grapes, darker grapes, your Cabernets, and some of your Merlots and the like, or even the Grenaches, where the intense flavor is already built into the grape. You don't have to let it steep inside the skins. So that way, that's where you get the color. So those are the three ways. Okay. Press it directly, and it's usually towards the end of the harvest. Press it directly, press and set, or mix with white and red. So those are the three ways to do it, and of course there's price points that go away here. But with that adds a little more depth to the flavor, a little more sweetness to the flavor if need be. It'll cut off some of the acidity that you would do with your hard ciders. Hard ciders, that's a whole nother story. Okay, where we're taking different types of apples depending on what flavor profile you want to use, and you would mix those together, make your juices, put it in a fermenter, blend it to your proper profiler, and then you bottle it and send it out for consumption. So those are all these things that are, people out there who make this stuff. They're all mad scientists. They're always trying to get different flavor profiles, get to this and do this, let's do this, let's do this. I'm sure it's a lot of fun, and it's a business that is probably very worthwhile. But that being said, so out comes this Anyday Rose. Now it's a summertime drink. It's light, it's refreshing. It's not, it's something you wouldn't make with a steak, but I will tell you this, it's good with a burger. It's going to be great with pizza, burgers and pizza, some seafood, all those things. So that's the story. So right now, Anyday Rose, you can order it online. We'll put a discount code for you. It's going to be Sweet Willy. Be a 10% coupon, and you can order that online. But we've talked enough. We've told you how the stuff is made. Oh, and by the way, it's in California, Paso Robles, great wine region in California. And well, we've talked enough. Let's actually try this stuff. Okay, so it comes in your cans, and I would I'd recommend refrigerating it overnight, and then you keep it on ice. So we've got our glass, we've got our ice, and we, like any carbonated beverage, don't shake it before you, it's something that you don't shake before you open up. So here we go. It's got a nice pinkish hue. A pinkish hue. Everybody likes a pinkish hue, right? We like a pinkish hue. So that's where your rosé comes in. All right. Got a nice head on it. There's good combination. It's light. It's refreshing. So you got that again. You got the combination of your hard cider, adding a little depth with the rosé, and the hops goes just one more finish. So let's actually taste this though. And it's everything that you would said it would be. It's light. It's refreshing. If you're used to drinking hard ciders, you're gonna love this. If you're liking white wines with a little more lighter, the carbonation adds lightness, because sometimes you're sitting out, your wine gets warm, it gets a little heavy in the sweetness. So you're getting a nice blend of tartness from the cider and sweetness from this rosé. And this is the second one I've tried. And I'll tell you, after a while, it will grow on you. It's a good flavor. At first you're like, whoa, what's this? And then again, you sit, you enjoy, and you relax. It's a good product. So if it's something that you're interested in, anydayrosé.com. We'll have the discount code, promo code down there, and all that other stuff. And again, I cannot stress enough, please, with any adult beverage, please drink responsibly. That's all I'm asking. So I hope you've enjoyed this short review. And again, and from me to you, cheers. And I'm hoping you're having a great summer, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.